Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add your own picture in Canva in any templates like mockup templates. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are in Canva. So I choose any template like social media or Instagram post. Okay, so I choose some templates here. Okay, so here are the lots of templates, so I just choose this one. Okay, I just insert this templates. So if I want to insert my own photo into it or any other photo, so first I need to select that photo and delete it. So we have the blank image now. Okay, so now you can go to the upload, and from here you can upload your own photo. Just select your photo from your computer or device and open it, so it will be start uploading here. Okay, so now you need to choose this photo, so it will be inserted here. Now you can manage the size as per your space or that frame. Okay, now you need to send this photo backside because the frame is now showing backside, so you need to put that photo in backside. So go to select that photo, go to the position, go to the layer, and here we have the selection of photos. That photo you can see in layer option, you can see, and this is our frame. So you need to drag down it. Okay, just below that frame. So now you can see this photo is now looks like it is under this frame. Okay, so now let me take one mockup templates. Okay, 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 choose this one. Okay, we have this mockup. If you have any frame like this, okay, same, you need to go to upload your photo and keep just drag your photo into this frame. So it will be drag here, go to this three dot option. Okay, now you can select that frame. It is mockup frame. Okay, it was a normal frame, it is a mockup frame. Now select that frame, go to the edit. Here you can go to the fit into this frame. It will be fit it will be all your image will be fit in this frame, or you can make the resize, or you can just, okay, this is your visible area. Okay, so you can keep that the area into this, within this, so it will be look like this. Okay, now just go to the apply change. So this is visible to you. Okay, this area will be visible. Okay, so that is how you can upload photo, your own photo in Canva templates or mockup frame. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.